Ever wonder what happens if you keep zooming in on a simple apple? Past the skin, past the cells, way past the atoms. Join Akira as we dive deeper than any microscope can go to find the ultimate building block of the universe.
So here's the drama. Physics basically has two rulebooks that absolutely refuse to get along. General Relativity handles the heavyweights like stars and gravity, while quantum mechanics rules the chaotic, tiny world of atoms. They work fine apart, but try to introduce them to each other? The math completely breaks down and screams error.
The standard model treats particles, like electrons, as boring zero-dimensional dots. But string theory completely flips the script. It suggests that if you look close enough, those dots are actually tiny, vibrating filaments of energy. Think of the universe like a giant electric guitar. Pluck a string one way, you get an A note. Pluck it differently, you get a C. These cosmic strings work the same way. An electron is just a string vibrating in one specific pattern, while a quark is the same string dancing to a totally different tune. Here's the catch, and it's a weird one. For this beautiful string math to actually work, our universe can't just have the 3 dimensions we see. Nope, the equations demand a universe with 10 or even 11 dimensions. Imagine trying to give someone directions in that world. So where are these extra dimensions hiding? Under the rug? Think of a garden hose viewed from far away. It looks like a boring, flat line. But zoom in, and a tiny ant can walk around the loop, discovering a hidden dimension. Physicists think our universe's extra dimensions are curled up exactly like that. Tiny loops of reality that are just too small for us giants to notice. Here is where it gets absolutely bonkers. Since those extra dimensions can fold up in trillions of different origami shapes, each shape creates a totally different rulebook for physics. That means our reality might just be one tiny bubble floating in a giant cosmic foam of universes, where the bubble next door has gravity that falls up. So, is this whole cosmic symphony actually real? Well, awkward pause. We honestly can't prove it yet, because these strings are way too tiny to see. But even if it's just fancy math for now, it's pretty incredible to think our universe might not be made of hard rocks, but of pure, vibrating music.